Oh, hey there, Joseph here. Welcome and welcome back. One question for you. What are the biggest video marketing trends for 2021? Well, there are 6 of them and I'm about to share them with you, so keep watching. So last year was the year where everything stopped. But if there was one thing that did not stop at all, actually changed completely the way we operate each and every day, that was video marketing and content marketing as well. 2021 will be the year where content and video marketing will completely take over, and they will be pretty much 90% of the content you will see in any source of media. So what are the 6 trends that you have to jump on for this year? Let's get to it. My name is Rubelli. I help you to turn followers into clients using video, and today I walk you through the 6 video marketing trends for 2021. Let's get to it. Trend number 1 is live video broadcasting. Live video last year exploded. Everybody was jumping on a live chat, on a live video, whether that was on Facebook, TikTok, or Instagram. And this completely changed the way we operate socially and in a work environment. The sentence, "let's jump on a Zoom party," became part of our daily conversation. And live video is not going anywhere anytime soon. Live video is the best way to connect and interact with anyone that is part of your community, and is the best way to really build that closer relationship with your audience. So live video is probably the best thing to jump on if you haven't just yet. Trend number 2, audio content is rising. Now, did you know that on average over 100 million of Americans listen to at least one podcast per month? It's a pretty big number, right? Well, I cannot relate to that because I personally love listening to podcasts, and I have my own as well. Podcast is a great way to consume audio content. You can find podcasts for true crime, history, marketing, business, you name it, you have it. And another trend that I'm sure will take over this year is Clubhouse. If you never try Clubhouse, it's a super new platform which I have been invited last week for the first time. It is invite only, and the way it works, you basically have the opportunity to jump on the platform and create your own room where you decide the topic and people can join and talk about it. You can spend hours without even realizing it, and it is a very new concept which I personally really like. I am still testing it out, so I haven't really fully worked out how it works yet. But yes, I think Clubhouse will be the next big thing. Marketing trend number 3 is branded content. Branded content is when you're talking about your product or your service like it is a person. And this kind of content is 22% more engaging than a regular ad. Why? People are looking for value, entertainment, and education in what they buy. And that's the reason why this content works really well. It's really about creating that connection and that bond with your consumer in a way that is natural and doesn't make me feel like I have to buy something. 2021 is the year where people are not only looking for good quality, but they're looking for an experience. They're looking for that one product or that one company that will allow them to feel part of something. Inclusion is a big word for 2021, and this is really all about feeling part of a community, of a movement, of something that makes you feel like is aligned with what you believe in. And this is what branded content is about. A very good example of branded content is the Lego movie. The Lego movie was genius. It's literally an hour and a half of advertising for the Lego business. However, what really works in there is not the fact that they are telling you to buy Lego, but they are making you fall in love with the story, with the connection, with the human side of the game, which is what allowed the game to go back to success once again after many, many years. And that bond, that connection is what really sells through anything. And that's definitely something will continue to work in 2020. Marketing trend number 4 is brand activism. Now, consumer want brand to stand out and not only selling you products or services, but to really stand and speak up for causes and movement that they believe in. Why? We don't only want to buy a good product, but we also want to buy it from a company that has the same value and that stand for the same thing that we do. Marketing trend number 5 is user-generated content. By the way, are you still watching? If you are, comment below with hashtag still watching. What is user-generated content? Anything that includes images, videos, reviews that are promoting your favorite brand and businesses in a way that is not pushy or salesy. Anything that is promoting a product in a way that is candid, real and relatable will work so much better than just a traditional piece of advertising. In fact, 89% of businesses will have a user-generated content strategy within their marketing strategy. Clever ones. Marketing trend number 6 is nostalgic marketing. Now, nostalgic marketing is definitely something that we all seen at least once. It's really about reminding to the consumer something they really enjoyed in the past, but revamping the message in a different way. It's about taking that feeling to a whole new level and create a campaign which has a purpose, has the ability to recreate that human connection with the consumer. The best example of nostalgic marketing comes from Disney. If you look at this video, which I shared a few months ago, and it's all about the story behind the business of Disney, I also talk about nostalgic marketing as well. If you look at what Disney released in the last couple of years, it's really repurposing animation movies and turning them into live action. Now, why do they do this? This is a way to remind to the old consumer, the parents, an old movie that they all dream with, but at the same time allow the kids to dream with the same movie as well.
My name was Sebastian and I had a cool Jamaican accent. You totally helped me.
It's one of the best strategies to create a human connection, not only with the kids but also with the parents. Another way Disney do that is when they take a line or a character from an old movie and they just revamp it and put it into a different movie so that you can remember that you've seen it somewhere but you're not quite sure where. So that's definitely one of the most effective strategy. Nostalgic marketing is the best strategy if you have been in business for a while. You want to go through what worked in the past and try to give a whole different look to it with the purpose to remind to your consumer the same emotion. And now it's your turn. Which one of these 6 marketing trends are you going to use next? Let me know on the comments below. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell so you get notified each and every time I upload a new one. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you same time, same place on the next video.